Hey everyone! Want to customize your Shopify checkout to match your brand and boost conversions? Whether you're on Basic or Shopify Plus, I will show you what's possible step by step and no coding needed. So if you're on Shopify Basic Starter or Standard, customization is limited to colors, logo, and fonts. Shopify Plus gives you full control over the checkout.liquid file, that is the actual checkout code. But we will focus on what anyone can do without coding. From your Shopify admin, click on Settings button at the bottom left. Now navigate to Checkout. Here you will see sections like Customer Accounts, From Options, Tipping, and more. Now here you can start by uploading your brand's logo and choosing a checkout background color and button colors to match your store's aesthetic. Now you can also scroll down to Customer Information and choose if you want to collect email or phone by toggling on these buttons. Now make fields like company name optional or hidden. You can also enable address autocomplete for faster checkout. Just right here. Now if you sell digital products or services, turn off shipping address section entirely. Now you can use the order status page field to thank customers and add shipping policy link or include social media links to your page. You can also customize the abandoned checkout email with your branding tone and discounts if needed. Now, if you're on Shopify Plus, go to Checkout, navigate to Customizations, and you will have that button just right here if you'll have the Plus plan. Here you can drag and drop custom blocks, upsells, delivery instructions, or even embed loyalty programs directly at checkout. For everyone else, apps like Reconvert can add upsell features and post-purchase. So, a branded frictionless checkout builds trust and boosts conversions. Even small tweaks like consistent colors and faster form fill makes a huge difference. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Shopify design tips, and drop a comment. What do you want your checkout to feel like? And I will see you in the next video.